Atkinson.
McKinney climbs into a drive and nails it through extra cover for the first boundary of the day.
Opens the face and gets 4. First boundary of the day for Alex Lees. I think he was in complete control of that. Went wide of the free slips. Driven, nice shot. That's going to be a boundary. It's beaten Cameron Steele at extra cover. It's gone between him and the fielder. I think Tom Law's at backward point. Lovely. Really nice from Alex Lees. Can't bowl at him there. Cameron Steele is out a deep backward point, but that's well square of him.
And he comes around the wicket and McKinney falls into the trap. As Ryan Patel takes a really good catch, diving away to his left. To 95% of the reviews that haven't been favourable as Gay flicks that one off his toes beautifully, exactly where Cameron Steele was, and gets off the mark with a lovely boundary.
Opens the face nicely. Still no third in for Alex Lees. Tom Laws is rapid, and fair play for a man who's probably about to come on to have a bowl. Was just getting loose. He is Coles and Alsop at the crease as Curran is in, and that's a beauty of a stroke off the back foot from Gay. He's scuttled off to run the single. He didn't really need to. Alex Lees didn't move. Think your way into wickets.
Oh,
Edge and gone. There we go. There's your thinking. Sam Curran just putting it in that channel, moving it away.
There's a big sweep shot. Well in front of square. Over towards Vic's deck chair for 4.
Oh, and that traps him on the pads, and he's given him. I thought that was going down leg side, and I think Alex Lees feels exactly the same.
And that one is gone through his defences. As you said, Ash maybe deceived in the length. Well, that was Ackermann. This time it's Robinson. Cam Steele doing the work out there. Cut away. Very fine in the end. Beats the dive. Goes all the way to the ropes.
There's the face there, Clark. First runs. Be 4 of them, I think. Cam Steele won't give up the chase until the very last minute. Nice shot from Clark. Edged and taken. Rory Burns had just moved himself into that second slip position. He was covering.
Delayed down on one knee, and umpire Middlebrook raises the finger. Just looked to paddle it round the corner towards fine leg. A booming cover drive. Goes all the way to the ropes from Colin Ackermann.
Or at the end of each day.
Driven. And gone. What a catch from Rory Burns. Ben Rain just flashing at one. He's fuming at himself.
Driven, and that will be 50 for Ackermann. Under immense pressure. After facing just 3 balls last week, he brings up a well-deserved half-century. Pulled in the air, mistimed and gone. Off the splice. And Curran does what Curran does. He bowls 4 balls, but he also picks up wickets. There's lots more to take into consideration than that. Clark. Oh, there's 2 types of leave. We've seen some good leaves today. Use of stumps are splattered by Jordan Clark. Oh, Potsy, that is probably not where you want to scoop the ball anywhere near that man, let alone as easy as that. Curran picks up his 3rd. Durham are all out for 153. This one is a repeat of the one before, but I think this one will run away for 4. And it does. Potts just getting a little bit straight. And Sibley cashing in. And gone! LBW Potts traps Burns. And Durham get a much needed early breakthrough. Similar to the dismissal of Alex Lees.
Oh, lovely. Lovely. That little tickle he plays, turns it round the corner.
Obviously healed properly. Because what can you do with ribs, you know what I mean? Now that is edged away. With control from Patel. Down to the vacant third man area for 4. I'll tell you what is a legit story. Obviously the keeper's background with her eyesight and stuff like that was...
Edged and taken. Little bit of an under edge. Dom Sibley driving. Ben Rain has got his man into his 6th over of work. He's been frugal. Edged and gone. Ben McKinney takes the catch. There were little signs that Sam Curran was going to flash it a few. Wasn't looking particularly comfortable. This time it's the slip cordon doing the work. Ben McKinney with those safe hands. That one flew at him.
No, I did it in 4 minutes 20 and I apologised. Oh, that's full, and that got exactly what it deserved from Yusuf. That's short and wide and punished by Dan Lawrence. A little bit of helicopter in that cut shot. Short and pulled away. With power, with venom, and into the gap.
There's so many variables which are unseeable as well. Driven, flashy in the air. We're going to bring 4. Frustration, disappointment for the bowler, Graham Clark. Scuttles off towards the pavilion, but only to fetch the ball back.
Pick up the pace.
Ooh. Squared him up there. He was looking to push it through mid-wicket. I think he's going to get back-to-back boundaries this time. Even less convincing. Off the outside edge. Flies past a couple of slips.
Oh, edged. No third slip in place. Lawrence will pick up another boundary. Beautifully whipped away past mid-on for 4. And that is prime Dan Lawrence.
Lovely from Ryan Patel. Over pitched. Helps it past Cody Yusuf at backward point. He moves on to 36. He's looking nice with one of the Aussies. Short ball, lofted over third. Nice shot from Dan Lawrence. Just opened up the face. No fielder down there, so no risk. Round the wicket, pots to left-hander. Sun's out again. Opens the face, runs it down past Callum Parkinson towards the ground staff who are loving life in there.
You'd have to specify. Had a shout from Sam Dalling of Freddie Flintoff, as that is.
I reckon Stokes would be pretty close.
Cut
as well.
away, very fine for 4. Not bad yourself.
That's very good. Oh,
Big
slog swing.
heave over mid-on, and that has gone all the way, I believe. All the way for the first 6 of the game, I think.
Parkinson bowling with it. This one's driven away, and this time we'll find the gap. And this time beautifully by Dan Lawrence, and he'll pick up another boundary.
One from Matthew Potts, but right now from the Lumley end, it is Callum Parkinson who gets the wicket. It's edged to Colin Ackermann at slip, and Patel, after a well-made 58, plays a loose one, and Durham have the breakthrough they so desperately needed.
Huge wicket. All the help they can get if they're wanting to move in from under 18s into either academy or second team cricket.
And there is a wicket. Cody Yusuf. Ben Folkes off stump is now 5 yards behind.
Edged. Oh, and has that not quite fallen to Ben McKinney? Not quite fallen, not quite carried. Was it fallen short?
The reaction tells you differently.
That's half century for Dan Lawrence. He salutes the Surrey dressing room first, and then the crowd.
Oh my days.
That is absolutely sumptuous from Dan Lawrence. A lofted off drive. Easy as you like. Ground staff hover. And Dan Lawrence pulls it out towards Emilio Gate. He does the fielding. Just a single to end the day. So Surrey will finish this opening day 182 for 5. Jordan Clark will resume tomorrow morning.